Hello, welcome back to another video. I have another great job opportunity for you today. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and turning on your notifications so that you never miss an update. Today we're looking at a call center sales retention specialist job with ADT. ADT has been in the business of helping save lives since 1874. As the #1 smart home security provider in the U.S., we help protect and connect families, businesses, and larger commercial customers every day. Our continuous innovation, advanced technology, and strategic partnerships deliver products and services that help protect life and valuables, whether at home, your business, or on the go. And as times change, so do we. Above all, our mission is clear. We help save lives for a living. Looking for a career where you can make a real impact? Join our team today and put purpose behind your paycheck. And you can click this link here to get more information about ADT. They are hiring in the following states: Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. Okay, now why choose ADT? At ADT, it's more than a job. It's a noble purpose that defines us. We are the leading provider of electronic security, interactive home and business automation, and monitoring services for residences and small businesses in the United States. Every employee, from our executive leadership team to our support centers, are united under one noble purpose. We help save lives for a living. We are everyday heroes. You are doing more than earning a paycheck. You're in an important role that makes an impact in the lives of our customers every single day. Join a company of individuals with passion, commitment, drive, ambition, using and developing our talents for good at work, home, and our communities. Some of the major responsibilities in account management: our pursuit to make things right is the driving force behind our customer loyalty. We are the customer's champion, the architect who builds a bridge between what the customer wants and the value we have to offer through an array of ADT products, led by a mission to protect lives, hopes, dreams, and futures. A day in the life of a retention agent looks like answering incoming calls about our products and services with existing customers, retaining ADT customers by problem solving, de-escalating customer issues, and resolving account issues, reviewing all contracts for accuracy while enhancing the department's ability to maximize profitability and resolution, the ability to work independently to find the best solution, has the ability to persuade and upsell. We're looking for someone with these skills: experience in sales and or retention, effective communication skills that help de-escalate customer calls while problem solving, the ability to work with multiple screens and programs open to help resolve customer issues, be able to interpret contracts and communicate terms and conditions, perform quick calculations. Schedule: our department is closed on weekends, allowing our employees to receive every weekend off, no matter the shift. Job requirements: designated place to work from home, high-speed internet, DSL, cable, or fiber, at least 25 megabytes download and 15 megabytes upload. When you commit to us, we commit to you. Our employees receive a competitive, full benefits package that includes paid training, full benefits on the first of the month after 31 days of employment, casual yet energetic and engaging work environments, medical, dental, vision, 401k with employer matching, paid vacation, tuition reimbursement, a culture of coaching, development, and career growth opportunities. We are looking for someone with results they are proud of, like a high school diploma, GED, college degree, or some college experience, at least 2 years customer retention experience, at least 2 years sales experience, technical aptitude, problem-solving skills, computer proficiency. The pay range for this role is $17 per hour and will reach $20 per hour after 180 days of employment. You will receive incremental increases of 50 cents every 30 days until the rate is $20 and is based on experience and qualifications. We offer employees access to healthcare benefits, a 401k plan, and company match, short-term and long-term disability coverage, life insurance, well-being benefits, and paid time off, among others. Employees accrue up to 120 days in their first year. Your accrual rate increases after your first year. We also offer 6 paid holidays. Now, to apply for this position, you will click the Apply Now button, enter your email address, and then go from there. Thanks so much for tuning in to watch my video. I hope that you found it to be helpful. The job links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more job opportunities. And until next time, bye.